This is the Baseus EnerFill charging stand. It's a 3-in-1 wireless charging stand with thermoelectric cooling. I reviewed a bunch of charging stations for your phone, but this charging stand from Baseus is pretty unique. Yeah, it wirelessly charges your phone, Apple Watch, and AirPods, but this stand uses CryoCore cooling to efficiently charge your phone. I like this charging stand so much that it's got a permanent spot on my editing desk. Yeah, don't mind the dust. Anyways, let's take a closer look at the Baseus EnerFill FS41 3-in-1 wireless charging stand. This thing needs a shorter name. So this stand wirelessly charges 3 devices at once: your phone, Apple Watch, and AirPods. It has a 15-watt max output for your phone, 5-watt max output for your AirPods, and 2.5-watt max output for your Apple Watch. The phone charger is a Qi2 wireless charger, so it can be used with both iPhones and Android phones. The AirPods charger section can be used to charge other things wirelessly too, like this Find My Tracker card that I have. And the watch charger, it can be folded down when you're not using it. Alright, back to that main phone charger. It has a 70-degree vertical adjustment, so you can set it for optimal viewing. Unfortunately, there's no horizontal adjustment, but I guess you could just turn the base. It uses 16 powerful magnets to keep a strong grip on your phone. The main feature of this charger though is that it uses CryoCore thermal management to keep an optimal temperature when charging your phone. It uses heat absorption and has a built-in cooling fan for internal heat dissipation to maintain a temperature between 16 and 35 degrees Celsius. The fan is somewhat noisy, especially in a quiet environment, but it's not too bad. If you have this bedside and you're a light sleeper, you can also turn off the fan for instant silence with this button on the base of the stand. Now for reference, this stand can charge my iPhone 15 Pro Max from 0 to 50% in about 30 minutes. This stand also comes with a 45-watt power adapter and a 1-meter cable. It's nice that they still provide this because companies have been taking them out of the boxes. Apple. Anyways, like I was saying in the beginning, this has become my main charging station at my editing desk. The only issue I've run into with this charging stand is that on 2 occasions, the indicator light up here will start blinking rapidly for no reason and stop charging everything. I have to unplug it and plug it back in to get it to work. I always use a charging brick and cable that comes with it too, so I'm not sure what the problem is with it. Even with that happening to me, I still prefer this charging stand over other ones I've tried. Oh yeah, I do have one improvement that would have made me love this stand even more. I wish I had a USB-C port anywhere on it. It would have been nice if I could plug up a cable to the stand so I could charge another device like my pocket camera. I think I got everything covered now. Alright, I'm gonna go dust my desk because I didn't realize how bad it was until I made this video.